I went ahead and cut everything up already with my fancy new knife. Yes, sir. Very nice, very nice. Got a little tape on it. Very nice. But this is a car video, not a knife video. So moving on, inside here we have my new intake. So I have the intake pipe itself. Very nice, lightweight. Got yourself air filter as well. And everything you would need, hardware-wise, your clamps, everything you need to install this part. It also comes with a resonator delete, which I didn't know. So we're gonna get in there. We have to take the bumper off. You also have this cool sheet of paper that my cat sat on. QR code, you scan it, it gives you the instructions step by step on how to install this intake. So let's get to it. If we're gonna do this right, this bumper needs to come off. So we got the bumper off. We're gonna go ahead and start taking off the old air box. So I loosened everything up, took all the clamps out, all the pins. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off right here. And then it should just lift up firmly. Firmer. There you go. You have your stock airbox. I know we unplugged this to make it faster for us to take apart, but do not forget to remove that sensor because it needs to go on the new intake. And now comes the fun part. I'm gonna install the new intake. First off, we need to come down here where the resonator is, and we're gonna unscrew this clamp down here, and we're gonna pull all of this off pretty much because the filter is gonna be sitting here. This is the resonator plug. That's what we're gonna do here. We just took out the resonator. Hold on. In, and then all we have left is to mount that air filter onto the end of the pipe. of people went with the PRL intake. I know that everybody who owns an 11th gen Civic wants that high volume intake. I wanted to go for that one, but I just know that everyone around is going to have the same exact one. So I was trying to go a little different, see how this works, and maybe later on down the road I might try that one. But so far, it sounds fantastic. I really like the way it sounds. I'm going to try to get in the car, drive around, give you guys, something, see if you guys could hear it over the camera. But yeah, overall, that's all we got. I appreciate you guys for coming back, and I'll see you on the next one.